Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take what resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that thing fly. Let's go and get into it. Happy holidays. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Let's see what y'all got going on. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. It could be a feminine energy. Okay. So what y'all got going on? What's going on with the collective? What's going on? Somebody's living above their means. It could be you, it could be you or someone in your energy that is in debt trying to look the part. It look like there's an energy of someone wearing fake designer clothing over their head in mortgage debt or rental debt. I'm seeing they have some sort of shopping addiction. They have bad spending habits. Okay, let's go ahead and clarify that. So yeah, somebody living above their means. You get what I'm saying? Somebody trying to keep up with the Joneses. All right. Somebody robbing Peter and paying Paul. All right, but they can't. They could wearing this mask or walking in this illusion or this facade and make it seem like they're not living the life that they are living. But Spirit said this person is living above their means. Okay, clarify living above their means, please, Spirit, for the Divine Space Family, Friends, and Collective. Somebody's about to experience a tower moment. Somebody's definitely about to experience a tower moment. I'm seeing something happening unexpectedly. It could. I'm seeing it could affect someone's home, someone's house or something like that. It looked like there's an energy of ancestor guides. Somebody ancestors are out here alchemizing some sort of energy. So whoever this person is could possibly be sending you negative energy or something like that. I'm seeing that there you guys may have been receiving messages in your dreams. Something significant to your dreams and messages, or maybe you've seen someone in your dreams or in your dreams, or spirit was relaying a message, something about your dreams. I'm seeing you guys are strong. I'm seeing an energy of light around you. All right. Empowerment type of energy. Let's go ahead and get into it. Clarify this storm, this unexpected storm. What is it that we need to know? I just think poverty. What's going on with this unexpected storm with this individual that's living above their means? What is this? What's going on with this unexpected storm? I feel like this person has some sort of animosity as well towards you. What's going on? What is this unexpected storm for this person that's living above their means? What is this? What is this unexpected storm? What is happening? Unexpected storm, living above their means. What is it that we need to know? Living above their means, unexpected storm. Living above their means, unexpected storm. What's happening? Living above their means, unexpected storm. All right. Oh, I feel like this person might be affected in some form or fashion. I feel like this person is going to experience some sort of storm. This person is jealous and have jealous and envy over you, regarding you. Not over you, but towards you. They are jealous and envious of you, whoever this person is that live above their means. It seems like they may have even sent some sort of death magic to you, either to take you out or to stop something for you. Okay, that's what I'm showing here. I'm seeing whoever this person is. It seems like they are hoping to be. It's like they're. I don't know. Just maybe this person feel like they won or something. I'm seeing some sort of achievement, or they want to achieve something, especially in regards to the way that they look in front of a community of people. They care about how people look at them. I'm seeing you guys being on a pathway to abundance, and you may very well have a child. So not only did this person affect you, they affect your child or try to affect your child as well. Okay, and that's where your ancestors are coming into play. Ooh, with this alchemy energy or this alchemy, yeah, it's like alchemy energy that they are whatever they send to you is returning back to them. Oh, okay. Number 35 could be significant. Okay. It seems like you guys are definitely on some sort of path. You guys are on some sort of journey. Okay. I'm seeing that they're, like I said, that energy, like on some sort of journey or path towards some sort of abundance. All right. I'm seeing that there's like some sort of light or some sort of sun at the end of the path after going through some sort of journey. Like I'm saying trees, so trees or the forest or something like that. The outside nature could be significant to whoever I'm speaking to. I'm also showing that there's a rainbow here as well. Okay. A rainbow might be significant as well. Let's go ahead and clarify this. Clarify this pathway. Y'all, Somebody over there jealous and envious of y'all and giving y'all the evil eye, you know, and that is just ridiculous. You over here, it's like an energy, you guys just minding your own business. Like I said, this could be you or someone else. Either y'all could be living above y'all means. You could be, this could be like an energy, you guys out here like having to pay to Peter and wearing fake stuff. What is it? Robbing Peter, paying Paul type of situation. Hopefully, you, I don't know, because this is a person that if, maybe y'all do care about the way people look at you. You don't want to be, criticized or something. I don't know. Or it could be the person that's in your energy. I'm just a messenger, okay? But I'm definitely seeing an energy of somebody being jealous and envious of someone who has a brighter path than the other. And they have been sending dark magic or death magic or things to try to hinder you out of jealousy and envy. Let's go and clarify the path. What is it that we need to know? Clarify pathway. Pathway. What's going on with pathway? I'm seeing 144 on the clock. So you guys are a part of the Most High's army. Clarify this pathway. It looks like there's an energy of speed. Wait a minute. Pathway. Mm. Yeah. What's at the bottom of the deck? There's an energy of speed. There's an energy of haste here. Rushing. And then we have the devil. We have the Empress. Okay. Somebody could possibly be like Capricorn energy. This Empress energy could be a Capricorn with this devil energy. Or this could just simply be an energy of someone in devil energy sending something to an Empress energy. I'm seeing a Queen of Swords could be significant. Aquarius could be significant. Okay, this Empress can be Aquarius as well. Place it whatever way it need to be placed. But I'm definitely seeing like there's an air sign that may be very much significant. All right, I'm seeing Taurus energy could be significant as well. Or Capricorn energy. Because I'm seeing somebody on the path, on some sort of journey, and there's an energy of, I don't know if there's somebody sending some sort of a message. This could be like somebody sending some sort of work. This could be like spell work. With this Eight of Wands, and I'm seeing in this devil energy, it seems like this person have some sort of addiction towards you or some sort of obsession. All right. Towards the Empress energy. And like I stated, it could be like an air sign or something like that. Clarify this pathway. Yeah. I'm seeing that there is a new beginning here. Somebody's trying to stop some sort of, or tried to stop some sort of new beginning for you. Hmm. This could also talk about you could be receiving some sort of message, negative message, or some sort of toxic message from a mother figure. This could be even a mother figure, like your mother, or you could be a mother or something like that. But I am definitely seeing that there's a new beginning here. I'm seeing not it. Okay, so it could be a new beginning of relationship, romance. So this could be like a new beginning of like happiness, joy. All right. It seems like there's an energy of you guys protecting yourself. There's an energy of you standing some sort of ground or needing to stand your ground. Okay. I'm seeing an energy of protection, defensiveness. I'm seeing an energy of determination here. You taking control or maintaining some sort of control of a situation. That clarify this abundance, controlling what you can, letting go what you can't. Now, clarifying this abundance energy, I'm seeing an energy of fear, someone being afraid. There's energy of someone feeling stressed and overwhelmed over this abundance energy, is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing somebody in sadness. There's energy of loss, despair. It's like an energy of this person feeling abandoned. There's an energy of guilt, remorse, or regret because of something that they've done that they can't take back. This is a person that's feeling unwelcome. They're focusing on the negative things that they have done, knowing that they can't come back in your life. Ooh, because I'm seeing there's an energy of positivity here. I'm seeing an energy of happiness here, a success here as you continue to move forward. There's energy of victory here for you guys. I'm seeing you guys overcoming some sort of obstacle or something like that. All right. Clarifying this abundance. I'm seeing you overcoming some sort of obstacle or having some sort of victory. I'm seeing an energy of ambition and being determined to overcome some sort of situation. It looks like there's star energy out here, wish fulfillment. There's an energy of spirituality, you being positive, you having faith. All right. Just talking about faith in the future, there's an energy of happiness here. All right. Let's go ahead and clarify the child. What do we need to know in regards to this child energy? Number 18 could be significant. What is it that we need to know? Number 11 can be significant. Clarify child. Whoever this child is very like it's like a bright light around this child. You get what I'm saying? Like a I'm trying to find a words like a stripe. It's like protection, a bright light of protection around this child. Clarifying this child energy is I'm seeing success. All right, having the advantage. There's that energy of moving forward with the Six of Wands. All right. Yeah, there's an energy of moving forward or being able to move forward or something like that. I'm seeing somebody there's a new job. All right. I'm seeing somebody being self employed. I'm seeing someone building a business or something. All right. And it's like it's of quality. I'm seeing you working very hard. This child could be like a Cancer or have water in their chart, Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus. Clarify child. I'm also seeing that there is a fire sign energy out here, an Aries, masculine energy. So there's a water sign, feminine energy. There's a fire sign, masculine energy. And I'm also showing that there is a earth sign here. Clarifying this child. I don't know what all this is. Two feminine and one masculine energy, clarifying this child energy. What's going on, child? So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. And then we have Libra, Gemini, Aquarius back here. What's going on, child? I'm seeing there's an energy of indecisiveness. I'm seeing someone being very malicious. There's energy of gossip, lack of self-awareness and willingness to learn. Someone that is unwilling to learn a karmic lesson. Somebody is karmic. I'm seeing that somebody is receiving some sort of news. This could be energetic. I mean, yeah, this could be energetically. This could be text message, phone call, or email or something like that. All right. I'm seeing somebody being very greedy. I'm seeing someone having a lack of inspiration, um, and making mistakes. Yeah, there is some sort of spiritual transformation here. I'm seeing an energy of some sort of ending for some sort of new beginning. I'm seeing a transformation from a situation of feeling trapped. All right. Feeling restricted, feeling backed in a corner, possibly with a Knight of Wands. Is what I'm seeing here. Yeah, somebody's being moved to calmer waters. It's like the Most High is here assisting someone as the wheel is turning in their favor. I'm seeing someone celebrating. There's an energy of celebration here because you're receiving assistance. This is the energy of you receiving some sort of assistance. This is the energy of you receiving a gift. I'm seeing donations, charity, money, kindness, wealth, prosperity, power, control. There's an energy of you being valued. There's a benevolent energy out here. I'm seeing an energy of generosity here. All right, and a closing of a cycle, an ending of some sort of contract. I'm seeing some sort of success here. So I'm seeing completion here. Ooh, it's like an energy of someone receiving some sort. Remember, I see when looked at the Six of Wands and I see someone moving on, having the advantage. There's energy of having some sort of victory. I'm also feeling like somebody might receive some sort of recognition. There's an energy of someone might be receiving some sort of recognition. Someone's getting ready to be in some sort of spotlight or get put in the spotlight. But nonetheless, there's an energy of you having supporters. And someone in behind is trying to play like they look trying to worry about looking a certain way, being jealous and envious of you and sending that death magic, dark magic, or trying to stop or hinder you. They stopping or hindering themselves. You get what I'm saying? They're hindering themselves. It seems like you in the end, you receive assistance from a community of people or something like that. It's like the Most High bring people to you. Not only the Most High, you have your ancestors here alchemizing the energy that someone is sending. And I possibly the spirit has been revealing this, whoever this person is, in your dreams. You whoever you are, you're very strong. And look, we have Libra, Gemini, Aquarius out here. Air sign could be very much significant. Y'all have a good one. That's what I'm seeing here.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please hold my